Greetings, and thanks for joining me today. My name is Chris Burns, and I'm going to teach you how to solve polynomial equations by factoring. You should already be familiar with basic factoring techniques. If you're not, don't worry, we'll review those skills throughout the lesson. Follow along with me, and I'll show you how to solve polynomials with factoring.
Hi guys, we're going to take a look now at how to copy items from my content library in OneNote into your own personal content library so that you can annotate on top of all of the pages and note sheets that I've put into OneNote. OneNote's going to be essential for all of the things that we do in this course. So I'm currently in the Unit 1 page, and down here, Day 6, we are going to solve by factoring and graphing. So what you're going to do, you can't annotate on this because it's in my content library. So you're going to right click and you're going to select Move Copy. And then what you're going to do from there, you need to find your class, which is going to be under your name. Now, unfortunately, here I can't show you your name because you're not in this course yet. But we're just going to select, or I'm going to show you by selecting Block 2. From there, you're going to go to the content library, and you're going to select whichever unit you need to place this information into. So we're going to put ours in Unit 1, and then you can hit Copy. You won't have an option to move because you can't take it from my content library, you can only copy. And then you can see it's appeared here, and then as we click through the pages, you can annotate on top of anything that you see here with your pen. So as we start to graph these parabolas, you'll be able to draw right on top of it, and it saves it automatically.
When solving a polynomial, it is extremely important that the polynomial is first set equal to 0. Without this, factoring will not be a useful tool for solving. Once equal to 0, factor the polynomial. You have learned multiple factoring methods for tackling different types of problems, such as trinomials, difference of two squares, tricky trinomials, sum and difference of cubes, and grouping. Regardless of the method of factoring, the solving part is the same. Once factored, set each individual factor equal to 0 and solve for x. Each factor will give you an answer, so you may have 1, 2, 3, or even more answers. If you have an answer that is repeated, you'll just list it once in your final answer. Here we will factor and solve a basic polynomial. First, find two numbers that multiply to -24 and add to 10. Got it? How about +12 and -2? Great! Write the polynomial in factored form, x plus 12 and x minus 12. Now set each factor equal to 0 and solve these two equations for x. So we have x plus 12 equals 0 and x minus 2 equals 0. Subtract 12 to get x equal to -12 and 2 to get x equal to 2. Put your two answers together and you've got x equals -12 and 2. Be sure to go back and check your work before moving on to the next problem. As you've seen, there are three basic steps to solve by factoring. First, set the polynomial equal to 0. Next, factor the polynomial. Finally, set each polynomial equal to 0 and solve. As long as you can factor it, you can quickly and efficiently solve any polynomial.